So many of you may be worrying that alternative funding sources are going to compromise your scientific integrity. So if you're thinking about working with industry sources, does that mean they're going to want to color the research, for example? Maybe you're concerned that it will introduce unwanted bias into the work. It will limit your control over that research. So those are some of the questions about kind of integrity you may be having. Some folks maybe have assumptions about different types of funding, right? So I've heard that folks are worried that like there will be no support for kind of foundational research outside of federal funding streams. Again, concerns about research purity with industry funders. Questions about what a project actually costs and how much staff it needs, right? I think this gets back to indirects and expectations around what are the budgets. Many of you may have those worries on your mind. So let's get to the reality of some of this. There is more than meets the eye. So it is absolutely possible to maintain your scientific integrity. We'll talk about kind of the ways to do that. It does not mean you are sacrificing the quality or the purity of that research. It is about adapting your research questions or methods, right, in different ways. That is fundamentally true, but that also brings a lot of opportunity. It isn't only a sacrifice. There's some real benefit to that different kind of thinking. It will require you to actively explore and validate by engaging in conversations and doing your research. So it will expand your network. It will raise new questions, right? There's a lot that's a real value add there and not simply losing whatever you had before.